Hello, in the UTEX Pixel channel. I wanted just in this movie highlight the latest changes that I made to the Nebula demo, and they are quite a few. So step by step, on the first look you will not see many things happening, but there have appeared a new toggle button in the options menu, which is mini health bar, and I will just explain you quickly what is this. It's something that was requested by the players since they had a problem to focus on the health bar that is below the screen, just here, especially during the intensive fighting. So they really requested to have a health bar below the player model, and I understand that. So I just implemented the health bar there. However, it's an optional, so you can toggle it on off in the options menu. Let's try like this, and then you play like a previous version. I personally prefer it this way. And in addition, I have increased a little bit the size of the health bar and the experience bar on the bottom of the screen, just to have it more visible. Originally I wanted to have it small because it's still actually small, because I wanted to expose as much as possible the fight scene, so that the space it's not covered by the user interface. And then we come to the second change that I made in this patch. It's a reroll button in the level up window. So reroll, well, it's self-explanatory. It's just you can reroll the weapons and the power-ups. Whatever loot you have here, you can just reroll and have a new one. However, it has its cost. So it's starting from 25 gears. Now I have 0, so I cannot reroll, and then you will just hear the noise when you press the button, and the price is increasing with every next reload you do. You just have to pay more. New changes also I have for the sprites and the presentation of the scraps on the screen. Maybe you have noticed that there is some shine going around the scraps. It's just to make them more attractive to pick up and then more visible on the map. Same goes for the power-ups that are popping up on the map, so they are right now more visible, and maybe we'll see this in a second. So this is another improvement. I also add a little bit of glowing outline around the asteroids to make them more visible also on the map, because I have received the comments that they are sometimes melting with the other models on the map. So now hopefully that will improve the situation. And there is one more thing that I would like to show you that I implemented. It's like a small new visual improvements for the player. So right now when the player is losing a health, it's going to smoke, like right now, and it's putting some sparks and smoke. So this is just something extra to give a feedback to the player that it's actually his health drop below certain level. So when the health will drop below the 66%, there will be like one broken spot with the smoke and sparks, and then if it's dropped below 33%, the second one, and then it's the player has to be careful because there is no third smoke. It's just a game over. And there is one more new feature in the game, but it depends on the probability, because every level the player is gaining, there is a small percentage chance that there will be a spawn on the map, which is the kind of wandering turrets with a high fire rate and a higher damage that can be activated like other portals, let's say, and Maybe we'll have it during this run. I will see. And when it's activated, it is activating the turret that it's raining really a lot of projectiles on the enemies, and it's helping player to clean the map from the horde of enemies. This is something extra that I have implemented just to have the players to finish the map and also give a little bit of more fun from the game, because it's just visually appealing, let's say, to see and activate. It's quite satisfying. That's pretty much. Yeah, there is one more change that I haven't talked about. It's a change for one of the power-ups, which was also commented by the players. It's magnet, and it's indeed, it was a bit weak. So I extended the distance for every level of this power-up, of magnet power-up. The distance for pickup it's longer, and it should be visible improvement for the players. So I hope it's going to be okay now. That's pretty much all for this. So you can notice right now that the power-ups on the map, they have this kind of changing color outline just to highlight the position, and then the scraps also, they have different types of the outline with the shine effect and the colors. That's pretty much all for the update. So thanks for the attention. I will keep you informed on the coming changes, and have a good day. Bye.